Hi everyone, it's Renee. My craft kit came today, and excuse me, it's called Sweet Valentine's Special Scrapbooking Store Edition, brought to you by Echo Park. And let's see what the ephemera is. Magic Love by Frank Garcia, 29 pieces. That's cute. And this is Forget Me Not Rosie's cardstock. I like that. And by Rosie's 29 or 42 veneer pieces. I like. All right, let's check out my paper. Oh, I got a bicycle built for two. I like that. Red with red hearts. Got cut aparts. White with red hearts. Greenery with hearts. Cut aparts. Pink with white hearts. Roses with hearts. Pink with pink hearts. Flowers again. More floral. Cute cut aparts. Like. Black with white hearts. Love letters. Pink. And green. Almost a mustard yellow. And pink. And pink. And a dark green. I like having cardstock with it. Tan with a green. And pink. And pink. And the sticker sheet has a bicycle built for two. Ice cream cones and words all over. Very cute. I like this kit. This will be fun to use. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day or night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.